I'm Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and you're gonna love this steering wheel. This is off of a Honda Civic SI, a 2008. And so the customer sent it in. It did not have leather on it from the beginning, I don't believe, but what we did with this was we covered it in a black Alcantara suede. We went with that contrasting gray baseball stitch, which just really stands out and looks amazing. It's really going to tie the interior of his car together. But any steering wheel in the world, we work on them all. This is what we do. We work on them in, of course, leather, leather and wood, leather and carbon fiber, the Alcantara suede, regular suede. So we do pretty much everything. The old classic steering wheels, we also restore those back to factory new. So anything you need in regards to steering wheels, reach out to us here at craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.